Let's be honest, most herbal coffee do not taste good. Mapait, mapakla, minsan iniinom mo na lang dahil healthy. But here's the game changer. Herba Coffee 15 in 1. My name is Dr. Maria Lourdes de Llasa, and if you want coffee na masarap inumin and may health benefits pa, Herba Coffee is your new best friend. This is not your ordinary coffee. It has collagen, helps maintain healthy glowing skin, and reduces sign of aging. CoQ10, support heart health and energy production. Superfood like malunggay, spirulina, chlorella for daily nourishment. Mangosteen, guyabano, acai berry, goji berry, cranberry, loaded with antioxidants. Cordyceps and red reishi mushroom to boost stamina and immunity. Dextrine, iodized salt, stevia, and sucralose for gut health and balanced sweetness. And the best part, creamy, smooth, and mellow. Herba Coffee tastes so good, hindi mo na kailangan pilitin ang sarili mo. You will actually enjoy every cup. It may help support pagod o puyat, weak immunity, skin aging, brain fog, digestion, low energy. Reminder, Herba Coffee is not a medicine, but it is a smart, enjoyable step towards better health. Herba Coffee 15 in 1. Ang herbal coffee na hindi lasang herbal. Masarap, malusog at sulit.